Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real money, my real trades. I only have a couple of $1,000, literally, and I mean that. I'd be happy to show you. A couple of grand in the bank, the rest of it is here in the stock market. So I feel your pain when it's going down day after day. It's very, very hard driving, being here, but you know what? The family is what keeps me here, and I love doing what I'm doing because this is the best part of it. The community that we have around the world, it's the best thing. We are joined every day by investors and traders who equally share with you their live trade. So everything you're learning from everybody is real. You're not getting biased opinion, you're getting real opinion. If I make a video on a stock, it's because I've just bought it, I like it, it's my money, my real money. Now today we are up 0.84, we're up $300. Come on, let's have a few weeks of green. Let's have a month of green. Every single day, let's be up. Let's get this portfolio up to 50, 60,000 so we can get away from all this stress and fear. There's enough fear in the world. There's enough drama. We just want a little bit of positivity, people buying into the markets, believing in good old-fashioned principles of saving and investing, and everything financially will be a lot better. And that will fix a lot of other problems as well. All right, let's get straight into our trades here this morning. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up as well. There you go. And we're off and running. Here is our portfolio this morning. This is where we are. Let's see if we can have a good day today, shall we? Let's see who was first in the show today. Who was here top of the show? Let's see who was here. Let's have a quick look. First of all, we had Jason Newman, our new silver member, from yesterday, and I saw a message on Discord, so I'm going to discuss with Jason in a few minutes' time once we're into the show, and absolutely great. Oh, I've just got something to post here. Need a pair of socks. Christmas, right? Should I even say it? Day Trader, we have our very own Day Trader socks. Any colour, any size, sent to anywhere in the world. There you go. It's just been put up on the screen. I just saw it come in there. Fantastic. I like that. Anyway, Jason Newman. So we'll sort your account out in a minute. Dexter Sickles is here as well. Mike, great Mike. Easy C is here as well, right at the top of the show. Mike's over on Twitch as well. Ian Jackson, a new member this morning, a new guest this morning. Oh no, Ian Jackson's a member. I apologise. Have we got a new member just joined us? Is that another new member? Ian Jackson, I didn't see that one. Ian Jackson, another new member. We need to learn about Ian in a few minutes' time, and we will do so. Jason Newman, bloody socks. I know. It means you're getting old, right? Everyone buys your socks. What do you think of CINE up 31% today? Bought 3,000 and up 18%. If you're up 18% this morning on a stock you don't know or trust, you just did it for a laugh or whatever, I'd sell it and make some money. But I don't know anything about the stock. Change my name from Rubber Roofs. Okay. Well, very nice to have you here, Ian. Wonderful. Thank you very much for being here. Right, let's get straight into our positions and see where we are this morning. All right. Okay. We've got 18 watching, 12 likes. You know what that means. Smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell. I'm even going to bring in Mr. Mini-Me. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. There it is. Over on TikTok. Good morning to you. Oh, my God. $50,000. It's so funny. I don't know why. I don't know why we live in a world. This used to upset me. It doesn't anymore. I get sarcastic comments. Someone this morning on Discord is saying, "Oh my God, $50,000!" like it's nothing, like, you know, taking the mick. I don't understand it. $50,000 is a lot to me, and the purpose of this show is we are a show, a real show, a live show for everyone. We're here for people with money. We're people here with no money. Because if you're up 10% on your savings, you're happy, whether you've got $1 or $1 million. And yeah, I'm a real person with real money in a real situation. I'm not a rich guy. This is all the money I have. But I'm rich compared to somebody else, and I'm poor compared to someone else. But I'm rich with the family, love, and support I have on YouTube. So always be positive. Don't laugh and joke because there's people in here only with $1. There's people in here only with $1, and they are equally as important as you and me anyway. So anyway, just a little thing. But you are free to carry on laughing and joking and saying what you like, because you're allowed to do that. It's a free world. All right, let's go carry on with our stocks. Virgin Galactic is up 0.5 this morning. Barcode trading, that is there. Algo trading, see it? Virgin Orbit is flat right now, 345. It's an opportunity to buy more. We've got some good days coming ahead for Virgin Orbit. This is a chance to buy more. I'm down 5%. I'm not in a position to buy more, but it is an opportunity, no question about it, to buy more if you want to increase your position in Virgin Orbit. I believe it's an important stock of the future. Tesla down as up 0.65. Rivian is up 0.78. Lucid is up 1.25. Polestar is up 0.91. Arrival is up 0.88. Amazon up 0.6. Apple is up 0.45 this morning, doing nicely, slowly returning. What about Robinhood? Down 1.58 today. We've got McDonald's is up 0.59. Coca-Cola is up 0.06. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.1. Google is up 0.76. Microsoft up 0.59. Meta up 2.89. That's a bit better for Meta this morning. SoFi 0.17. IonQ 1.87. We got PayPal up 3%. These are all my real shares, my real positions. Rolls-Royce up 3% this morning, now back to a straight dollar. Walmart up 0.39, 8.87% profit now. Target up 0.13. Tesco is up down 0.51. Canoe is up 1.61. On is up 1%. Tilray Brands up 1%. I'm up just 0.5% now. Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.77, and Phase Energy is up 1. And onto our crypto, BSV is down 0.5%, Bitcoin is down 0.37, and lastly, Ethereum is down 0.98. All right, we've got a couple positions we want to open here, recent positions. We want to open PLab. We also want to open Rio Tinto as well. And Next Extra Energy as well. Okay, I've just opened a couple of extra positions. So, Photronics, we're down 1.69, just $20. As you can see on the screen, the stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. What does elevated volatility mean? Let's explain that right now. What is elevated volatility? What could elevated volatility mean? Well, we all know what it means here on the show, but I'll just show you on the screen. If you get unusual activity on a stock, whether it's up or down, that's elevated volatility. It just warns you, it lets you know, as a responsible brokerage should do, there is unusual activity. It could mean everybody's selling, everybody's buying, it's being pumped and dumped, it's being reddited and tweeted about, whatever it might be, that's what it means. Anyway, Photronics is up today. So our overall portfolio, let's go over and have a look again. Let's have a little look at where it is, and we'll see. Today we're up 0.77 at the moment. All right, let's bring in some of these comments. We've got Arnold the Palmer trying to break records this morning with comments. Let's have a look. Changed my name from Rubber Boots. Appreciate it. Ian Jackson. So, are you on Discord yet? Here is Discord. Are you on Discord? I'd like to upgrade your account. So, once you are a member on YouTube, you can have access to Discord. You can call into the live show. Here's the broadcast lounge at the bottom of the screen. You won't see this until I've upgraded your account. There is the broadcast lounge right there. All right? And you won't see that until there you go, until I actually upgrade your account. So if you are a YouTube member and you've become a YouTube member in the last few days, we want to upgrade you. So I think the first one this morning, we've got lots of comments from Arnold Palmer. How are you, Arnold? Let's have a look. Paul B's trying to calm Arnold down. We always want to be positive here, but everyone's trying to support everybody. Very important. So, Jason Newman. Good morning, Dave Mottram. Jason Newman, is this you? Copite. Just waiting for Jason Newman to say that's him, and I'll upgrade his account here. Stock market plan as well. Also our friend here who just became a member recently. The guy who changed his name, Jason Newman, he's here at the moment, and Ian Jackson as well. Yes, that's me, Martin. Okay. The reason why I do it is because people will come on, pretend to be you to get all your perks and benefits. That's why they do it. That's why they do it. Right, I'm just upgrading you to a member. Right. There you go. You can just about see it off the screen. See it there? Look, right at the bottom of the screen. There you go. I've just made you a member. And if you just look there now, you'll see... whoops, a bot. Done the wrong one. There you go. There you go. See, you remember it? Right at the bottom of the screen. Very hard for me to show you. But you are a member. Now, because you are a silver member, you can also have your own channel as well. You can also have your own channel. Members' channels. Would you like your own channel? Would you like your own channel? YouTube members. If you would... in fact, I'm just going to change your name as well so I can recognize it. Jason Newman. Jason Newman. There we go. Nickname. Jason Newman. There we go. I've done that now. If you'd like your own channel, maybe you have something to promote. Maybe you want to share your own stocks and trades with everyone. I don't know. But if you would, then I can also... Hi, Mike on Twitch. Dave Mottram's here this morning as well. Yes, that's me. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Did you want your own channel? Sorry, I didn't know. As a silver member, you can have your own channel. How much does it pay? What, to get your own channel? Not until the new year, but I will definitely be interested. Okay, it's free. It's part of your membership. But anyway, the other thing you can have, of course, is a 20-minute fundraiser, a 20-minute concert for you or your family, maybe a birthday celebration for a family member. 20 minutes in my studio to arrange a time with you. You can have that, or you can donate it to a charity, whatever you like. Talking of charities, we've got Zach's event. I hope everyone can make it on Friday, closing bell. So let's have a little poll here. Can you all join me after hours on Friday for Zach's fundraiser? There you go. Can you all join me after hours on Friday for Zach's fundraiser? As a silver member, you're entitled to an event once a year. This was donated by Rob Brennan. So if you can make it Friday for about 20-25 minutes after the closing bell, please let me know if you can make it. There you go. We'll go straight from here to the music channel and we will do a 20-minute fundraiser. There you go. If you can make it, let me know. That would be really, really useful. Right. Okay, Paul B, DAU. What is that? Is that a stock? Is that a crypto? Let me know, DAU. Paul, what does DAU stand for? Seb Dean is here. A lot of action going on. Ian Jackson, what's your 4 digits? What's your 4 digits? Right. Okay. Very, very important. Very, very important. There was, not anymore, but there was another spoof on Discord. We get them all the time. We have over 100 on TikTok. And very often somebody will come into the Discord just to pretend to be me, just to rob from everybody. It's awful, 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 awful. So I'm going to explain it because I've just been asked by one of you. Who is it who's just asked me? Someone just asked me, what's your... Ian Jackson, what's your 4-digit number on Discord? There are people that will come in to pretend to be me. You don't need to worry about my number, but I will give it to you. I will tell you the way you can tell it's me. There are people on Discord who come in just to pretend to be me. It's horrible, I know. Absolutely ridiculous. This is me. This is my number, 3655. Every time I see somebody called Martyn Lucas, I ban them, okay? I ban them and I get rid of them instantly, no second chance. People come in and then become a Martyn Lucas. And the idea is just to spam everybody. Number one, I will never message you. I only ever return your messages. Okay, if we're having a conversation here, I will message you because I'm telling you I'm messaging you. But I will never, out of the blue, just message you. And I will never sell you anything. Absolutely. If you want to go and buy one of my mugs from my shop, yes, there it is. Might as well get it in right now. But I will never send you a message, WhatsApp, Telegram, saying, hey, buy my Bitcoin. Never in a million years. That's another one. That's another one, another thing. But also... how you can tell on Discord, go onto someone's role. And I have the role of owner. And my name in the list comes up as gold because I am the owner. The people that message you pretending to be Martyn Lucas with the same logo, first of all, I don't message you. And number two, if you look at their roles, they won't have the owner. They won't even be a member. They could be a member, they could join, but I very much doubt that a scammer or a silly idiot is going to pay for a subscription. Anyway, there you go. I hope that explains it. So please be wary. There are people all the time. They think it's clever to try to be me and all the rest of it. Anyway, all right. So they come in just to become, just to become an idiot. Anyway, there it is. Not to worry. Paul B, let me clear that off the screen. I've kept that on the screen too long now. Good morning, my friend. Stock market plan. All right. Is this you on Discord? I want to upgrade you as well. I know it's obvious. It looks obvious to you, but people pretend to be you. Just confirm to me in YouTube that this person here on Discord is you. Yeah, thank you for explaining that. Yes, is that you? Because I'm going to make you... Rob McLean is here. Good morning, Rob. Is that you? Stock market plan? Because I'm going to upgrade your account. I'm start doing it now. Is this you? Just say yes or no. It probably is. I'll start doing it now, and then you can confirm to me. I'm sure it'll be you, but we have to just check. Roles. Yes, it's me, the one and only. Right, member. I'm making you a member. There you go. Now, what being a member does, it gives you now the access to all of the channels. There you are. You are done. You can't quite see it. It's just off the screen, but it is there. All right. Just below the moderator. You can now see all the screens and you can see the broadcast lounge. Okay. If you become a silver member, you can have your own channel as well. All right. But there you go. You're all in. You're all done. All right. Anybody else who's joined this morning or any other time, let me know and I'll sort your account out. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Hey, it's me, Abalam Jonas. Abalam Jonas, it's me. How are you, Abalam? It looks like we got a guest here this morning. Let's go through all the stocks. It's time for a very, very quick. Rob McLean is here. We've got a new. Did everybody see? A couple of questions. Yes. How many people are coming to Zach's gig? We've got 5 or 6 coming to Zach's gig so far. Nice. Really looking forward to collaborating with the group. Thank you very much. You're welcome. And don't forget, if you're silver or upwards, you can go on the homepage of the YouTube channel and have your own channel as well. Let's read out Church of Logic. I can't believe you've not made a comment this morning. No one said a word. Has anyone seen a Church of Logic's videos this morning? I put out 3 videos before the show started. I think we need to do a premiere at the end of the show. Look, Church of Logic testimony, Church of Logic pain and hurt, and football and cars. There we go. 3 videos that went out this morning just before the show. Just before the show. So the Church of Logic now has his own videos. And he has his own playlist as well. Has his own playlist. It's called Special Moments. Oh no, didn't get the notification. That's because you don't ring the bell. That's because you don't ring the bell. This is how you do it. Because you don't ring the bell. That's because you don't ring the bell. This is how you do it. Because you don't ring the bell. There you go. Subscribe, ring the bell. See it on there, look. All. I'll do it again. Turn the bell off and make sure. Also, I've notified you on Discord. If you don't, by the way, if there's information you're missing, it's because you've not turned on notifications on the channel. Does everybody know about this channel? The YouTube Premiere. Do you know about this channel here? YouTube Premiere. All the latest videos go in here. And if you don't get notified about them, all right, it's because you've not rung the bell. And also, in general chit-chat, did you all see the general chit-chat as well? I also put church in there as well. All right? I was trying to tag you on Facebook and Twitter, but I don't have your handle, because unless you follow me, unless you message me, I don't know who you are, of course. But I was trying to find Church of Logic. I found several, but I didn't think they were you, so I didn't want to tag you anyway. Oh, I didn't have it on. All my bad. There you go. You need to have the bell set to all. Otherwise, you miss breaking news. You miss the opportunity to get sort of news flashes and all sorts. Anyway, the overall position right now is coming up. Let's have a quick look, and let's very, very quickly go to a very quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. That was the longest break ever. Normally I'm back in like 2 seconds. No, I didn't have it on. My bad. There you go. I did just now. Abalam Yonas, sorry, has just seen the video. There you go. Abalam has seen it. This is my overall portfolio right now. Let's have a quick look. Where are we right now? We're up 0.83. At least we're up today, folks. I know it's hard. I know. And by the way, I do understand how everyone's feeling. It's very, very tough every day coming on, other than, as I say, being with you guys is the best thing. I opened the video today. I opened the show about it. Still not a member on the Discord. That's because, Abalam, you are not a member on YouTube. That's why. That is why. You will not see... You can see the public channels, but you can't see the exclusive channels, and you can't call in, and you can't talk to the members. Other than a spammer, you can, spam the members, but you can't do it properly. And the reason for that is you're not a YouTube member. And this is the invitation to Discord. If you want to be a free member, you can. But like I said, you don't get all the exclusive benefits as a member. And if you want to be a YouTube member, this is the invitation to join. I'm giving you the link right now, and the links are below all my videos. There they are. But there's the invitation to join. All right, and of course everyone knows about the Friday cash giveaway and the free money on Twitch. If you don't, ask me. But here is the email weekly newsletter. We have our cash giveaway every Friday. This Friday we have 2 cash prize giveaways, but you have to be in the newsletter to receive the information. There it is in the chat, and once you click on it, you will see the registration where you put your email, and this is the email you need to verify. It's in the chat right now. It will go in your junk box because it always does. That's the what it looks like when you click on that link. Put your email in there and then go to your junk box and verify the email. If you just click on it and don't listen to what I say, you'll miss out. You've got to verify the email because it will go into your junk box because it contains the word cash prize giveaway. All right, just letting you know. Okay, let's go through all the stocks, see where we are. We've got 30 minutes before the bell goes. Today, of course, it's Wednesday. It's my water aerobics day, so it'll be a shorter show, which means we'll be finishing in an hour and a half from now, guaranteed. Right, okay, it's that time of the day where we've got in fact, we don't actually. Today is a first. Today we have 21 likes and only 13 watching. That's weird. Right, Photronics. Up 1% nearly. I'm down 1.5%. Is it going to move today? Can I make some money on Photronics? Rio Tinto, down 1.41 this morning. Like I said before, we want it to go down because we want to get the dividends, all right? At a cheaper price. That's exactly what we want. Next Extra is down 2.64. Since I started buying that, that's gone down. So everybody noticed that when you start buying a stock, all it ever does is go down. So if anybody else is on Discord that's not yet a member, please let me know and I will upgrade your account. The S&P is up 0.43. Now, remember I said to you about a week ago, or maybe more than that now, about a month ago, I don't think I'll ever see the S&P 500 in the red again overall. And I meant that because I feel it's reached a bottom. I know technically the whole market hasn't bottomed, but high-risk stocks have. And we've just rippled underneath it and back up again. So some of you said, well, I thought you said it bottomed. Well, we kind of rippling around the same point. I mean, we went below zero and then back up again, but it went below zero like, 0.1%. It's back up again now, but so I was wrong. It did go below, but only very just. Who knows? Who knows? There are people believing that the markets are going to go 90% down and it's going to get worse and worse and worse and no point getting out of bed. But we won't have that on the Day Trader. The Day Trader is here to give you all positive messages. When do you decide what to trade per day? I have the best thing to do, Javier Martinez, is to join me on YouTube. This is our YouTube broadcast, links in the profile. You can learn a lot more, see a lot more. You can talk to me 24/7 on Discord, and it's a very long question, that is. Thanks, big fan, long-time subscriber on TikTok and YouTube. I don't think you're a subscriber on TikTok, are you? I think you are aren't you a follower on TikTok? But we have a paid subscription plan on TikTok. I don't think you are, but if you are, let me know what name, because your badge will appear on TikTok if you are a member. Anyway, this is TikTok right now. If you're in TikTok right now as well, your name will come up with a badge, and I'll know you're a subscriber. I don't think you are, but maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, it's lovely to have you here, Abalan. If you want to be a member on YouTube and access all the benefits and all the perks and be in our cash giveaways, there's so much we do for you. It's all available here on the show. All right. Virgin Orbit is flat right now. Is anyone going to buy Virgin Orbit? It's down 5.5%. We've been up 15% on this one. There are good times ahead for Virgin Orbit. I think it's good. I'd like to buy some more. This is nearly the price for me to buy more, but I'm just not in a position to spend any more money. Otherwise, I'd get over my head. We all have limits. Doesn't matter how cheap a stock is. Just seen your latest videos with Church. Nice to see the honesty. I'm new to investing and appreciate this channel and all that's in here. Learning a lot. Easy C. Great. Well, Easy C, you could do me a huge honor and favor and help the channel grow, is if on these 3 videos that you've just seen, if you leave a like and a comment under each video, it helps promote the video. And there we go. 3 videos. One's 28 seconds long. There's a 6-minute and a 20-minute. But there you go. The 20-minute one is when we really go into Church's feelings, and then the football and cards is all about the USA versus America. It's all quite funny. Anyway, we'll have a little premiere at the end of today's show for a bit of fun, I think. All right, we'll do that. get everybody to watch it and leave a comment. That would be kind of cool, wouldn't it? Don't forget to share the videos too. Yes, he's very right. Stock market plan, that's a very, very useful thing. Under the videos, you can share it to your social media and you can tell all your friends about the channel and we can grow it. And it's how we do get more subscribers every day. So we're growing all the time. Shall we see where our subscribers are right now? 4696. So there we go. We're starting the show at 4696 today. And we'll refresh it. We'll do it in about half an hour and we'll see where we come back in, shall we? There you go. Now, Photronics, we are seeing. Did everybody buy it yesterday? I thought this was oversold. I thought the earnings was good. It's got a 100% buy rate from free trade. It's got a 26, 27 price target. Remember, that doesn't always mean anything. It's not always guaranteed, but that's what a whole bunch of analysis say. And I feel the same. Good morning, Bill. How are you this morning? Is the Church of Logic in the show right now? He might be watching his videos. He wants to watch his videos. Let's have a little look. The Church of Logic. He might be in the chat. He might have another tab open, though. He might not be paying any attention. I don't know. If he's in, I've got some testimonies, of course, to play. I've got some new stuff. Let's have a little look. The S&P's rising. The overall markets are coming up. Morning, William Wallace. William Wallace. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bill's tired. Oh, we're all tired. It's tough right now. Yes, currently sharing. And we'll be commenting after watching them in full. There we go. Now that is how to do it. This is how we do it. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. And this is how we do it. Yes, Church of Logic. Currently sharing the videos for you. And we'll be commenting after watching them in full. That's what you do. If you are a real fan of the day trader and you think, come on, I want this video to have 100 views. I want 100 people every day in the live stream. I want 100 people in the live stream. I want to see this YouTube channel take off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a video I really like and I'm going to tell all my friends on social media, text and email to watch it. I'm going to leave a comment. I'm going to ask all my friends to leave a comment and watch it all the way through. And what that does is it gets YouTube to suggest the video. Thank you very much, Church, indeed. There you go. What I'll do actually, these might be more competition videos. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to give everybody the link. Is the first one, right? Here we go. Vid 1. There's vid 1. Okay. I'll give everyone a chance to go and leave a comment on that one. There you go. CY Financials. Caden, how are you this morning? It's the last day today, by the way. If you want to get your book your spot for the newsletter at the discounted price of $10. It should be $11.50 now because the amount of viewers that we've got. But if you do it by the end of today, you'll get it for $10. Rio Tinto coming back up. CY Financials. Caden says Green Day, maybe. I like that. Keeping your odds open. That's more like a politician than an investor. What's going on? I hope so. Everyone is so tired. I can sense it on the messages. I can sense it in social media land. People are very, very tired of all of this. They want to see the markets rise. I hope so. It's very painful broadcasting it to you. I know everybody's pain. I'm in pain. I've lost so much money on the markets. I keep buying dips. Eventually you will reach the bottom. Eventually. Now, some people say, no, it's going to keep going down and down forever. Well, if it's going to go down forever, the world's going to go bankrupt and we're all going to be flipping buggered anyway. So what's the point? confirmation on the Discord. Abalam, you're not a member on YouTube. You need to be a member on YouTube for me to upgrade you on Discord. All right? You need to be a member here on YouTube for me to be able to upgrade your account. This is probably you, right? This is probably you on Discord, is it? That's probably you. But I can't make you a YouTube member because you're not a YouTube member. All right? I'm looking at... That's probably you, right? If you want to be a YouTube member and see all the channels and call into the show and be able to talk to all the team, not like a spammer or a bot, but like a real person, which is really the only reason, the only benefit. Otherwise, it's pointless, right? Here is the invitation to join as a YouTube member. All right, there is the invitation in the chat. If you don't do that, I can't upgrade your account, sadly. Vanguard S&P is up 0.51. We're coming up to 15 minutes for the bell. Jack the Man 777 is me. Oh, that's you. Ian Jackson. Right, I can upgrade your account now. Jack the Man. Right, there we go. We've got another member here. See, look, Abalem, this is how you do it. Ian Jackson has a badge after his name. He is... Quickalo, working at the moment. Stephen Rowe, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go and check out Church of Logic's videos on the uploads. I'll give you the first one. There are 3. Here's the first one. Stephen, when you get 5 minutes, Church of Logic has 3 videos of his very own. He even has his own playlist. The playlist is called Special Moments. All right, so Jake the Man. Ian Jackson, I'm going to change your name on here so I know who you are. Change nickname. This is for my benefit. And you are Ian Jackson. This is so everyone on TikTok, on Discord will recognize you from YouTube. Ian Jackson. There you go. Ian Jackson. And now I'm going to upgrade you as well because you are a YouTube member. You get access now to all the exclusive content and you can call in as well. Member. Okay. There you go. Ian Jackson, you are done. Now then, now I've done that for you. You can see the broadcast lounge. You can call in via video or just phone in. You can call in. You can access all the channels. If you're a silver member, you can have your own channel and all the benefits. Brilliant. All right, let's get back to the main trading screen. Virgin Galactic is up. Photronics is up nearly 1% now. I'm still down 1.45. Rio Tinto is down 0.5%. Next Extra Energy is up 0.34. Vanguard S&P is up 0.54. Virgin Galactic is up 0.67. Virgin Orbit is flat right now. No action there. Tesla is up nearly 1%. Look, rising. That's good. And rising. And rising. Rivian Automotive, where our little, not price target, not like I'm going to sell it, but 333 is the magic number. 333 means Tesla's now back to $1,000 of the old money, if you like. If that makes any sense. The old money. All right? Okay. We're coming up to 15 minutes before the bell goes. Everything's going up at the moment. Are we going to have a green day today? Let's hope so. Arrival. Amazon. Up. Apple up. Robinhood is down 4.73. Overall, that is, we're down nearly 2% today. Opportunity for Robinhood if you want to buy more shares. McDonald's, Coca-Cola up 0.32. Johnson & Johnson up 0.35. Google up 1.4. This is good. Microsoft up 1.19. Meta down overall, but I'm up nearly 3% today. That is a big turnaround for Meta. Defo green day today, says Stephen Rowe. We all certainly hope so. SoFi. Let's have a quick look. I just want to check something a minute. Over here. Let's see. Let's have a little look.
Right, the Pain and Hurt video, Church of Logic, 11 views. USA compared to the United Kingdom, that's all about cars and football, that's 13 views. And Church's testimonies on 14 views. Very nice indeed. Thank you very much indeed. SoFi today, up 0.85. I'm down 5.5%. Got a lot of criticism the other day. Would you own a banking stock? Yeah, I'd own a banking stock. I just not interested or involved in it at the moment. But yeah, nothing against that at all. If I owned a banking stock, it'd probably the Bank of America. Anyway, SoFi is up 0.85. IonQ is up 1.85. IonQ is up 1.85 today. Much more positive. PayPal up 3.33. Rolls-Royce up 1%, up 3.2%, I beg your pardon. Very nice. Walmart up 0.02. Target is up 0.14. Tesco is down 0.5%. Canoe is up 0.61. On is down 0.14. Tilray Brands is up 0.8. Ginkgo is up 0.38. Enphase is up 1%. I like that. Bitcoin SV is down 0.5%. Bitcoin is completely flat, an exact zero. I've got my average at 19,000, and I won't pay a penny more for it. Okay, James, how are you, James? Are you a guest? Are you a guest or you an ex-member? I'm not sure. Are you a guest? Because we've got a James who's a member. You might be a guest. I don't know. If you are a guest, welcome, welcome. My name is Martyn Lucas from Cornwall in England, and this is my TV studio. This is where I do my music concerts later on. If we get requests, this is where I do it. Anyone in the live show can make a request for a birthday, a celebration, a dedication, whatever you want. That's where I do it. Welcome. And I'm in Dallas, Texas. That's where my studio is. Welcome to you. Photronics is up 1.32. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Up 1.32. Hang on, what am I saying? Did anyone spot the mistake then? I went, welcome Photronics. That was like autopilot. Welcome Photronics. Yeah, Photronics is up 1.32. Yeah, notice the blooper there. There you go. I wonder if anybody noticed that one. You certainly will now, I've told you, right? Unbelievable. Anyway, what about that? I can't believe I did that. Right, it's 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes to go. And let's go back over to Discord. And we've got any new members trying to come in. How many? Now, on Discord, by the way, we've got a little bit of an excitement, a little bit of a challenge. On Discord, we are currently at 335 users. When we get to 500, the Discord server is searchable. It's two milestones, 500 and 1,000. If we get to 500, it's searchable, and then at 1,000, something even better. But we'd love to get, so if anyone wants to tell their friends about our Discord channel, or you've not yet joined it, please do get involved in our Discord. We're at 335. Really, really happy. Had great growth. We'd love to get more people on there. We'd love to get to 500 so we can be searchable, and that will promote the YouTube channel. Mike, it's your job. Mike, fresh cup of coffee from the lovely Leah has just arrived. There we go. Leah has just come in with a cup of coffee in the very special Black Day Trader mug, which you can buy by clicking on the socks in the shop, and you can go and grab yourself a Day Trader mug. There you go. Thanks, Leah. Right, back to, whoops-a-daisy, back to the stocks. Sorry, I was stuck on that screen for quite a while then. Apologise for that. Anyway, let's get back into the stocks. This is our overall position. Oh, look at it. Up 1.33, nearly 500 bucks. Isn't it great? Finally moving up. I mean, but it can be very, very short-lived. It can be a quick pump. We'll enjoy it. We're happy. But until I get to 50,000, because we touched 45, remember? We touched 45 just a couple of weeks ago at the top of the bear market rally, and it came back down to 37, so it's a long way to go. We need to get above 50,000 to start feeling that really, I'm off the bottom sort of thing. So we've got a way to go. But, we'll take any green day any way it comes, any positivity. But remember, if you're thinking of giving up, if you've bought quality stocks, quality companies that have history, that are innovative, that have been around for a long time, that do things, that make money. We know they all don't, of course, but you need to remain in the market. If you sell out when you're down, you guarantee one thing: you lose money. But even more than that, you guarantee something far worse than losing money. You guarantee you won't make any money when the markets return. And they will eventually. No matter how long it takes, it will happen. It will happen. No question about it. Someone has sent me a direct message on Discord. Let me check it. No, someone wishes to be a friend. Who is the pending? Jake the Man 77, incoming friend request. Yep, I'll accept your friend request. Yeah, very welcome. And while I'm here on Discord, I will do a very, very quick check. I checked yesterday. I will check now and see if we have any bad people. I will get rid of you. If you are Martyn Lucas, if you're trying to pretend to be me, trust me, I'm knocking off people nearly every day. No. And remember, I will never message you unless I've said here I'm messaging you, and you'll know, I don't just message you out the blue. Morning House, Olapa Joe is here. No, there's no terrible people on Discord today. But don't forget, just because I've banned them from the server, does not mean they can message you, because your relationship with other people on Discord is your relationship. I can only ban them from the server. I can't stop people messaging you personally. So remember that. Just because I have taken care of a scammer on YouTube, on Discord, or even on TikTok, that doesn't stop them messaging you, because, anyone can message you directly. Nothing I can do about that. But remember, it's not me unless the role is owner. And that's the owner of this Discord channel, remember, not something else. You talked about owning Fords when back in Cornwall. I used to work in the parts department. Vospers, Peter Vosper. I bought all my cars from Vospers. Yep, the Ford dealership in Plymouth. 1991 to 2000, yeah. I performed at the Theatre Royal in Plymouth. Barbican, the Hoe, with my mates. Me and Leah have been round Plymouth. Emmy, babe. Yes. We've been round Leah. We've been round Plymouth. Me and Leah have been round Plymouth. I'm getting my words confused this morning. I don't know what's wrong with me. Something wrong with me. Anyway, yeah, Brick. Yeah. Peter Vospers. Yeah, it was the biggest Ford dealership in the southwest of England. Anyway, we are having a green day so far. And I'll take it. I'm happy for it. I'm enjoying seeing it. But as I say, until I'm above 50,000, we can't really relax. We need a really good buffer to allow for red days. I mean, we got to 45 and now we're back at 37. So, I thought 45, 40,000, but remember, again, perspective. You may remember a few months ago, I hit 28,000. So, you got to get perspective, even though we're down and it's awful and we're overall down. You know, we are moving forward, but one thing's for certain, if you sell out and come out of the market, I can guarantee one thing: you'll never make your money back. You'll lose if you sell when you're down, and you'll be out. So anyway, Mr. Clockwork, how are you, Mr. Clockwork? Lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Now then, just a quick update. We are now at, I will share with you, because I've told you about a very special thing that's going to happen. We've got 8 minutes to go. Just bear with me a second. I want to share this with you. When we hit 100 members, we are going to have member-only videos, member-only live chats, member-only special events. Not all the shows, not this show all the time, but we are going to have member-only shows, member-only videos. And I want to share with you where we are at with memberships so you can see. Some of you may have cancelled memberships. Some of you may have got free ones. And we're hoping you'll upgrade and take advantage. Because if you take advantage of all the benefits and perks, you get 20 times back what you put in. Right, here we go. Look, total members, 94. There we go. We lost one during the night, but there you go. 94 members. When we hit 100 members, we have exclusive member-only content. That comes. Now, once we hit 100, that'll begin. Okay? This is how my memberships go. Can you see this here? This is how the memberships are. See that? Look, there's the members. There's the members gained. Anyway, there we go. Breaking. Snap is not cutting 20% of employees. Oh, is now cutting 20% of employees. I wouldn't even touch Snap. Would anyone buy Snapchat? I think it's a child's plaything. I wouldn't touch Snapchat if it jumped up and bit me on the leg. Why? Because you have better platforms. If you want a social media platform, then you'd use Facebook. If you want to advertise as a business, you'd use Google or YouTube. I think Snapchat is a child's plaything. I don't think it can survive. I wouldn't bother with it. Anyway, you make your choice. Right, we've got just over 5 minutes to go, up 10% on the bad news. Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? Up 10% on bad news. All right, let's go to a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we are back. I don't know if the ad worked that time. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're all good. All right, we're seeing a bit of growth right now across the portfolio, as you can see, heading upwards. Photronics up 1% today, still down 1.3. It's a toy for making faces, as I see it. Yeah, it's silly. It's daft. Anyway, it doesn't do anything proprietary. It's pointless. I don't like it. I think it's rubbish. But I wouldn't invest in it. I don't care. It's like Bed Bath & Beyond or GameStop. I respect my money too much. People throw their money at stuff because they think it's going to make money. And that's fine. But then if you do that, if you are buying a joke stock, if you're buying a meme stock, set yourself a stop trail loss where you're guaranteed not to lose money, trail it up, and then the moment it drops below a certain amount, you're out. You make money, you walk away. You treat it for the stock that it is. All right? You treat it for the stock that it is. Respect your money. You've worked hard for your money. Respect it. Virgin Galactic, I'm still out of the money overall. But there we go. Virgin Orbit, not doing anything. It's allowing you to buy this price. We've got 4 minutes. This is a low price for Virgin Orbit. It's 5% lower than my all-time low. You know, I average at 365. And remember, I've only been buying it when it's got cheaper. So that really is my cheapest price, 365. In fact, I might have it cheaper than that. So this is a good time to buy it, but I'm not in a position to buy it. I'm not earning enough money on YouTube to be able to invest any more money, I'm afraid. Tesla's up to date. We've got just 3 minutes to go now before the bell goes. And that's, of course, the lightning round. We get very excited about the lightning round. I hope we're going to stay up and we're not going to have another sell-off day. Caden says, I did create snap lenses and you can make money off them, but what is a snap lens? Super chat is not working, by the way. I can't send money. Super chat not working? Yeah, yes it is. Super chat is working. I don't know why. Caden, super chat is working. Are you not signed in? Can someone do me a favour? Can someone? I believe super chat is working. Can someone give me a super chat of the lowest amount you can possible, which I think is 99 pence or 99 cents. Caden is trying to purchase his He's trying to purchase. What's he trying to do? He's trying to buy He's trying to buy the sponsorship for the newsletter. It needs to go through today if he wants to get it for the discount. Can someone just give me a 99 cents or 99 pence super chat? I don't see super chat. It's here. There you go. It is working. See? Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Bill. It's here. Super chat is here. This is a good idea. Maybe I should do this more often. There you go. There is the super chat. And if you want to tip the show and support the channel, you can do it by helping others. You can click the super chat and you can do a membership gifting. So I get the tip, but others get a membership for free. And once we hit 100, of course, everybody wins with special content. So there's another way of doing it. Seb Dean has been a member now for 2 months. Look at that. There you go. Anyway, let me come out of that. Thank you ever so much for doing that, everybody. I think I'll do that again. That was good, wasn't it? Can everyone... Oh, hang on a minute. Can everyone test the channel, please? Yeah. And everyone does it. That's brilliant. Best tip of the day, that, Caden. Ask all your family and friends watching your channel to test the channel. Chris said he's found it. Yeah, we're not quite sure, Chris, if it's working. We're not quite sure it's working. Can you test it as well? Not sure it's working. Right, here we go. Here comes the... yeah, Chris, it might not be working. You might need to test it. Right, 30 seconds to go. Here we go. I said chicky, 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 pow, pow. I said chicky, 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 pow, pow. What the real Satoshi? Stand up. The old super chat not working. The old super chat. Yeah, it's a classic. It's a classic. Goes down in history. The old super chat. See Wi-Fi. There you go, Caden. See what you're on about. Oh, there you go. He's bought his sponsorship for the newsletter. There you go. Look at that, everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's ring the bell and let's go through the stock this morning. This is the lightning round. Are you ready? It just won't let me send a message with it. I don't know why that is. I don't control it, mate. I have a feeling SPC will turn into a meme stock soon. It's profitless. Companies like Snap can pump on horrific earnings. I think space has a chance for a big rip. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Photronics is up and down, up 0.36. Let's find out who the stock of the morning is. Rio Tinto is down 0.92. The overall market is up 1.7. Next Extra is up 0.35. Let's go back to where is VU? Where is VU? Hang on, where is it? Next Extra. Here is Vanguard S&P up 0.43 this morning, but falling back. Virgin Galactic. Wow, Virgin Galactic, just as Market Profit made that statement, Virgin Galactic has popped up. Will it become a meme stock? Oh my gosh. Well, I will take some money off the top. If we suddenly get $10, $11, $12, I will take some profit. I will, because I have to. But there you go. Virgin Galactic is up 2.51. I'm up $32, but I won't be selling it yet for a long while. It's got to go at least $8 before I even consider trimming some. Anyway, Virgin Orbit is up 2.9 this morning. There we go. Tesla is up 0.54. This is the lightning round. Let's go through. Rivian is pumping 3.64. The overall market is up 1.71. Lucid is up 2.28. The winner so far will be Lucid. No, it won't be Rivian. Rivian is our winning stock so far. Polestar is up 0.39. We now move to Arrival up 0.88. We now come on to Amazon 0.57. Apple is up 0.44 at 159. Robinhood is up 1.3. 0.37, $9.60. McDonald's is up 0.68. As we move round the first corner, Coca-Cola is up 0.15 this morning. Johnson & Johnson's up 0.3. I'm still down 3%. Church of Logic, I heard Reddit was looking at space because of the high short percentage. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Google is up 0.92. Bed Bath & Beyond is up 5%. Oh my God. Microsoft is up 0.61. Meta Platforms is up 5.47. SoFi is up 1.18. So far, our winning stock this morning will be Rivian, up 3.32. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic and see where Virgin Galactic is at now. 2.68, up $6.13. And climbing, $6.10. We are on a wash right now. SoFi is at 1.18 as we now come to the final furlong of the lightning round. Who is going to win the race today? IonQ is up 1.162. PayPal is up 2.82. We now move to Rolls-Royce's barcoding back down to 93 cents again. Was over $1 today. Walmart is up 133 to 0.7 this morning. Target is down 0.63. As we now come to the final stretch, Tesco is down 0.51. And we have Canoe and up 0.36, and we have On Semiconductor down 0.19, and Tilray Brands is flat. As we come to the final line now, Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.15. We have Enphase Energy at 1.48, $290 now. And here is our crypto. Bitcoin SV is down 0.65 and 0.34. Right on the line, we have Ethereum at down 1.38. The winner this morning on a nose is Rivian. Rivian today is up 2.51 on the line. The stocks today is up. Rivian is up 2.73. Oh, it's a photo finish. There we go. There was the lightning round this morning. Market profit. The casinos still have lots of froth left in it before we return to more normal market conditions. I can't wait until we can return to a market based on fundamentals. Market profit, ETA, up 5%. ETA, estimated time of arrival, or is that a stock? ETA. Meta, all right. I'm like, where are we going with this one? Meta is up 4.97. Yeah, you're right. There you go. Remember, our lightning round is purely entertainment. It gets a bit crazy. It's not an actual thing. It's not an actual thing that, I'm just saying. All right. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us on YouTube, and you can be part of our cash giveaway every Friday. Right, we was seeing some wonderful green. We are still green, but it's fallen off a bit. Reddit will be here for some time, market profit. Now, Reddit, I am hitting back at Reddit. I cannot believe not every one of you has followed me on Reddit. Let's fight back, guys. Let's fight back. Can everyone follow me and be a member of me on I've got 4 followers on Reddit. Let's get this going today. Let's be able, if Reddit is going to jump all over SPCE stock, let's fight back. There is my profile. Go and follow me on Reddit. I'll post it twice so you can see, and you can check out my channels. Okay. Here is my Reddit. I've got 4 followers right now. Doesn't tell me who my followers are, by the way. I don't think. Does it? Let me click on it. If I click on my I'm new to Reddit, but oh, it does. Oh dear. Yeah. Some very bad language on. I'll just get that off the screen. No idea why someone would call themselves that, but there you go. The world is full of strange people. Anyway, I got 4 followers, and clearly one of them is no one here. I would doubt very much if that was you. But anyway, please go and follow me on there. And if someone could do me a favour, once you are actually on my channel, or at least my profile, can you tell me if you can see my my channels. Oh, of course you can, because I post them in the thing, can't I? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Ignore what I said there. I have followed you, but my name isn't the same. Okay. I don't think it was the person that I saw, though. I wouldn't have thought so. Anyway, the short interest plays usually lasts quite a while during these market bubbles, but when it finally turns the capitulation, it's just as brutal on the way down as the way up. Hopefully, by the second half of 2023, all this degenerate gambling will be gone by then. Well, I certainly hope we return to more stable times. But like I've always said in life, everything bad, everything negative presents opportunity. And even all of this presents, and I think you'll agree, presents opportunity. Because the markets are being driven down. Oh, Photronics. We've seen a big drop this morning. I didn't want to see that. I monitor Wall Street bets just for a laugh. Willow, there we go. Look at Photronics down 4% now. We did not want to see that. Did not want to see it go down like that today. So I'm down 4%. So now I have a choice. I can buy more at 4% and lower my average yet again. But I'm not in a position to do so. Not anymore. I can't do it. And that's a shame. Did not want to see that. That's bringing me down. But never mind. It is what it is. We'll keep an eye on it throughout the day. That's a bit frustrating. I monitor Wall Street bets. That's Willow. Let me see if anyone just followed me over there on Reddit. I've got 4 followers. Anyway, markets trending down again. Well, I'm still green. Just let me share with you where we are right now. We are just green. We're holding up 0.21. I prefer the color of green. 0.2. We're getting a few things turn around for the positive. Entering 4 days in a row of negative. I know, church, stay in. I know you said you're out. I mean, you might not want to be trading, but don't sell and exit the market. Lots of opportunity for big hedge funds and market makers, but retail will always be left holding the bag in the end. Speculative investing rarely work out for average investors. I know, but if you buy good companies and keep paying lower prices, mathematically, I'm a mathematician. I'm interested in numbers and also people. It's obvious. It's not a matter of opinion. It's not a matter of am I right, am I wrong. It's a fact. Numbers don't lie. If you buy good companies and you keep buying at lower prices, you refuse to pay more. And your average comes down and down and down. It is a mathematical certainty that you will win in the end. Mathematical certainty, unless the company you've bought is going bankrupt. Well, then that's down to your due diligence and research. But if you've done that, you decided on a company. Remember, like Warren Buffett, he buys companies, not shares. He buys companies. And if you've bought a company and you can now buy it 20% cheaper than before, then you are a clown. If you don't buy it, a clown, obviously. Common sense would dictate. If you've decided the best pair of jeans in the world is a pair of Levi 501s, you've made your decision. That's the best pair of jeans. You look the best in them. They're the most comfortable, long-lasting. You love them. And now today they're selling them at your local supermarket for 90% discount or 50% discount. Then you are a clown if you don't buy them. Because if you're going to buy them in the future with inflation and price hikes and so on, not a discount, you're throwing money away. And one of the best investments you can ever make, above all else, is an investment in yourself and your own intelligence. The best investment, you'll make more money investing in yourself than you will ever make on any stock market in the history of the world ever. That is a fact. And if you know 100% that I intend to clean my teeth every day of my life to the day I die, which you should, of course, and you decided that your favorite best toothpaste is whichever it might be. And today it's 90% discount and you have the money. You don't have credit card debts or mortgages. Then you should buy a lifetime supply. That is the best way to invest in yourself. No question about it. No question about it. You'll save more money and make more money doing that than anything else. So investing in your own knowledge, your own discipline. It's why I sit here 10 hours a day. Even though I earn a couple of bucks a day, I am invested in myself, number one. I put more faith in myself and more investment in myself than any stock there is. Because I can do more than any of these stocks combined. So I invest in myself. I believe in myself more than anything else. And if you don't believe in yourself and you don't invest in yourself, then what the hell are you doing investing in other people? What the hell are you doing investing in other companies if you don't even believe in yourself? Photronics came straight back. That was a gift this morning. That was a gift. We were presented there with a gift at 3% down. Where was it? It was a small moment there in time. And it's coming straight back up. That was a gift. But if I'd bought it, I'd have had to sold straight away because I couldn't have held it. I couldn't have held that much money in the stock. 50% of new companies created over the last 2 years will be gone in the end. Zombie corporations only surviving on cheap debt will be gone. As financial conditions continue to tighten, choose wisely. Absolutely. Like I said, I love what Arrival have created. But now interest rates are going up. Inflation is going up. Their supply chain will be disrupted. Their supply chain will be more expensive. We all know they have a great idea, company, but they're running out of money. It doesn't matter how rich you are, everyone has a limit to how much money they can raise. And this company can't raise money now on its, they can't dilute. They can't dilute. What are they going to be? 10 cents a share? The company will go bust. Arrival, as good as it is, could go bust. It's why, no matter how cheap it is right now, below a certain point, it's not cheap anymore. It's because it's no good. It isn't worth anything. If I said to you, do you want, I've got a broken, smashed up, beat up pile of rubbish. It's not worth anything. Would you buy it for $1? Well, of course you wouldn't. It's rubbish. And that's where we are right now. Arrival, I'm not saying Arrival's there yet, but it's getting close. Those new IPOs like NerdWallet and others will be used to stocks in a decade. I agree with Market Profit. I agree. It is why the majority of my portfolio is based upon the S&P 500, history, time, innovative, and stocks and companies that are innovative. Stocks that are proprietary, that they don't copy what somebody else does. Because when we have a final rinse out, people like Snapchat, for example, you don't need Snapchat, you need Google. You need YouTube. There's probably a place for Facebook. It has a huge market. Even though I don't like Facebook, it has a huge market. But if you're investing in Facebook and you've gone down the whole social media front, then pick the biggest, most successful, most powerful. Why would you bother with Snapchat or Pinterest or any of the other, million others? Is the next earnings for Arrival a make or break scenario? That's impossible to say categorically, but they have promised a lot, and their investors are holding on for news. It needs to come now. It needs to come now. Ethereum, by the way, I believe will be down 50%. I believe this will half the price after the merger. Can someone give me the exact date of the merger of Ethereum, by the way? Can someone give me that exact date? Enphase Energy up 1.5. I'm up 1.26, by the way. If we go to my main portfolio, look. This is where we are. Not too bad. How many likes have we got on the video? Look at that. You guys, do you know what? Even though I'm going to test something right now. Look, there's 27 here. I'm going to test something. Just because we've got as many likes as there are viewers, sometimes there's other viewers that have come and gone and we have more that haven't. So let me just test a theory. 1 minute of chiggy 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 pow pow, and let's see if I can get 30 likes. You ready? Chiggy 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 pow pow. And now technically everyone's here, but let's see what happens. Would the real Satoshi stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up? We're the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. I said chiggy 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 pow pow. Chiggy 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 pow pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up? We're the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. 31. Look at that. Smash the like button. Look at that. I swear to God, people wait for my song. They literally go, when he sings his song, I'm going to smash it. I'm sure that's true, you know. I'm sure that's true because it's gone up to 32. Incredible stuff, right? Anyway, shall we see if we've gained any subscribers during the show? Here we go. Let's have a little look. 4697. We gained one earlier, right at the beginning. But anyway, the overall portfolio. This is what it's about. I have considered selling out and sitting on the sidelines. I've considered it for my mental health, for the stress of it all. But I'm down so much money, the money will be gone. I would then have to buy back in lower than where I am now. And some of my stocks are up a couple of %. I would have to buy lower to be able to fix the problem. And that might not be possible. So I'm not like Market Profit. I don't have a lot of money in the bank on a high interest rate. I have to remain in the market. I know it's painful. So my plan is work as hard as I can on YouTube. Make more videos, go live, go live, go live. Make more videos, and hopefully earn more money and then be able to invest in the stock market. That's all I can do, and I hope I can do that. Anyway, 15%. Let's read this out right now. Let's have a little look. Brilliant. I hate being negative about space because it is one of the best. It is one of these debt-burdened companies, but I believe in it. Though, as an aerospace is an integral part of military and world war is a likely scenario. Market Profit believes in the stock, but in a different way. Understand that, and I've said that is one of the reasons why I'm in it. You need a multifaceted reason why you invest in the stock. Paul B, 15th of September. Thank you for that. So 2 weeks away. Merge is reportedly between the 10th and the 12th. Paul B says the 15th. Thank you so much indeed. Akbarali Kalim. We've got a guest here this morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Put your city and country. Welcome him in, everybody. Welcome a guest in this morning. Ethereum merge is 15th of September. We got that now. Thank you. Jason Newman, I believe on Ethereum. Let's see if you're right, Market Profit. Look at NASA's budget. Who's to say NASA and a government regulatory agency can't just take people to space themselves? No, they can't. They can't. Because rockets is not the way to do it. How Virgin Galactic is the way to do it. They have the budget. That scares me. Not allowing me to follow you on Reddit. It's not allowing me to follow you on Reddit. How can you possibly not follow me on Reddit? I don't know how that is. That's weird. Brickmark, I don't know why that is. Let me share with you something else. Let me try something else for you. Let's have a little look. You can't follow me. Right, I've got 4 followers. Let me refresh the screen. What about I'll share with you one of the channels, the main channel. I will share with you the main channel then, okay? Let me share with you the main channel. And that way you could try and follow my main channel, because you have a profile and then you have like a page, if you like. So let me share this. Let me share this. So how can I share? There we go. Here is my main channel. This is the Day Trader channel. So there you go. See if you can follow the channel. Maybe you can't follow me, but you can follow the channel. I don't know. I don't know why. Reddit seems to be very difficult to understand. It takes a lot to understand it. But anyway, see if you can follow my actual main channel. I have 3, but see if you can follow that one and get back to me. Appreciating your work from Mauritius. Ark Barali Kalim, wonderful to have you here. Thank you so much indeed. Now then, look at my overall portfolio. Let's have some celebration, shall we? Shall we have some? I'm up nearly 2%. 38,000. Want to see 40,000 again. I need to get to 50,000 to start feeling that there's some stability. Let me join, all done. Let me join, all done. It worked, did it? There we go. There you go. Anyway. It let me join, so done. There we go. Fantastic. I'm glad you sorted that out. Brick, that's Mark, by the way, our Lego expert. I've got my Lego to make. Oh, by the way, I want some coffee. All right. 38,000 right now. We've just touched 38,000, folks. Never say that. Never say that, because you guarantee it's going to go back down again. Anyway, let's go for all our stocks. Let's open up Discord. If anybody wants to call in, you can. Photronics had a nice bounce this morning. Went down 4%. I didn't buy it. Would have been very nice if I had have done. I could have perhaps wiped out my $2 loss on that swing trade there. That scalp trade, should I say. But I wasn't in a position to do so at all. So I have to take profits. I've got no option. I can't really buy any more as much as I'd like to. All right. Okay. Now then. The question today in the chat was, will you join me on Friday for our first fundraiser? It's Zach from Uganda. He's a silver member, but Rob Brennan, as you know, lost 30 grand live on the show. Just before that, he went silver membership and he donated his membership to Zach. We've already had a fundraiser for Zach because Zach is a silver member himself. But it was donated to Zach so he could have a second one. And on Friday after the show, we're going to have a 20-minute music concert on Friday after the closing bell on the music channel. And you can make requests for songs, and all the money, 100%, goes to Zach in Africa. He'll share with you what his fundraising work is for. It's basically to help a village in Africa, in which we do great work. All the money goes to the cause. I don't take any fees whatsoever. I don't charge for the fee. I don't take commission, and it goes directly to him. I don't even get the money. It goes directly to him. And we will have the links for you on the screen so you can donate for a song. And we very much look forward to you taking part and enjoying that event. I want to visit Mauritius one day. I hear the weather and water is jaw-dropping, but I don't think they have many nudist beaches. I knew that was coming. Look at Photronics today. That was a gift this morning. Would have loved to have taken it. It was a huge opportunity this morning. Huge drop. Literally, if I bought that this morning, I would now be up. It would have eliminated my position, eliminated my losses. But there you go. You can't be in every stock. You can't be in every position. It's just not possible. All right. Okay. Now then, I want a quick check on a couple of things. So, I need everyone to... Has everybody watched video 1? We've only got half an hour to go. We've got Day Trader of the Day as well. Has everybody watched this very quick video? Just open another tab and leave a comment below. This is Church of Logic's video. Has everybody watched it? It was this one here. The Church of Logic is a quick video. And let me see, did you leave a like? Let me see you left a comment. And I will give you the second one in a minute. You can open a separate tab. There we go. Who left a comment? It's Easy C, William, Bill, and the Church of Logic all left a comment. And I will reply to all of you, highlight your comments, and so on. There is the video in the chat. It's only a few seconds long, literally a few seconds long. Help the channel grow by leaving a comment on that video. All right. I will give you the second one in a minute. So back to the main channel. And I will give you the second one. And I will give you the last one at the end of today's show. So here is the second one coming up. The second one is this one. All right, this is video 2, and I will give that to everybody. Here we go, vid 2. And we'll see who's left a comment on that one. Let me go back to the trades, and I'll put in vid 2. Vid 2. This is helping grow our channel so we reach more people, so we can do bigger cash prizes and all the rest of it. So you're helping yourself by supporting my channel, but you already know that, right? Anyway. The overall portfolio is up 1.58. Rio Tinto is... so let me give everybody now, I think... I'll give everybody video 2. Now, this one is 6 minutes long, so you need to open a tab or watch it at the end if you're unable to. This is video 2. If you can open a second tab, that's fine, but if you can't, then you need to just do it at the end because it's 6 minutes long. All right, it's an interesting video. Rio Tinto, Next Extra Energy is up 0.53 today. Vanguard S&P is up 0.54, looking reasonably good. I'm up at least I'm in the green. Virgin Galactic, we had a bounce this morning and it's being sold off again. Unfortunately, it doesn't put me in profit again. Virgin Orbit, it did go up today. It's back down again, but until it goes, in fact, even at 325, I can't buy any more right now. Ark Bali Kalim says, indeed, a beautiful island, nude beaches only for hotels. I love the conversation, unbelievable. Market Profit's got a thing about nudist beaches. There you go. We get all sorts on this channel, I tell you. Polestar, 30% now. If you ever want to buy Polestar, you might regard this as the time, but I can't afford to do that. Amazon is up 0.87 today. Apple is up 0.75. Robinhood 1.27. Overall, we're doing all right. Coca-Cola is up 0.07. J&J up 0.36. Still down 3% on it though. Would like to learn my averages, but I'm not in a position to do so. Google's up. Microsoft is up. Meta. Let's go to the other end and look at our Ethereum. Down 1%. Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin is down 0.28 and SV is down as well. Enphase Energy is up 1.6, continually making money. No dividends here. No dividends here. Now you could argue I've been at 61% now for quite some time. It's not going past that point. You could argue I could sell this position. Take my profit of $705 would put me in a nice position. Take my profit. It's been at 61, 62% now for a period of time and hasn't really moved. You can see it's sort of topping out here over the month, over 3 months. But I like to be involved in this company. Now, I was actually putting together a strategy. Let me end this poll now for Zach, because we have half the people coming. We have 20 people coming. Brilliant. So make sure that you remember that, guys, and let's give Zach a great fundraiser. If everyone donates, a couple of bucks for a song, he's up and running, right? And it really makes a difference to Zach. He really appreciates, just like I do. Appreciates every dollar. I appreciate every dollar I get. I really do. What was I going to say? I can't remember now. I was going to say something and I can't remember. Doesn't matter. That happens very often. Ron Barron the other day, people asked him a question and he goes, what was I saying? Happens to me. But trouble is, it's happening to me 20 years too soon. Anyway, let's go to a very, very quick commercial break. We've got Day Trader of the Day as well. Bring everybody up to date. On your video screen, it says live. If the live is grey, you're behind. If the live is red, you're up to date. Click the live button and make it turn red. All right, part of getting older. Thanks, Mike. Thanks ever so much, Mike. Yeah, thanks, Mike. No, you did right. Here we go. Commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Okay, there we go. We're up to date right now. Bring everybody into the show. Brilliant stuff. Photronics is bouncing around. A lot of scalp trading. Yeah, you can laugh. You can laugh. All right, is the Church of Logic in the chat? The Church of Logic, is he in the chat? Let me have a look. The Church. I think he is. He might, yeah, he might be in the chat. He might leave the tab running. Some of our most love fans, what they do, if they can't actually watch the show, they leave it running just in the background so it helps the channel grow. And that's another thing. If you have to go to work, leave me on. Leave me running. Right, he said yes. All right, so there we go. I do add these little clips to the show. So here is our new and latest and greatest testimonial. So here we go. This is the Church of Logic, everybody. Here we go.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh, my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
There you go. There's our latest testimonial. So if you want to call into the show and if you are a member and you want to promote your business, I'm very happy for you to do so. If you are a silver member or upwards, you can actually have your name on the screen and, promote your business. So call in, whether it's on video or just on just audio, you can have that. It's nice for the show and it's great. And if it helps you in any way and a bit of fun, I love it. Love it. Right, Virgin Galactic. So, has everybody watched video 2? Is video 2? Let me post that now. I'll second that. This is a great channel. Thank you, Jason Newman. Thank you very much indeed. You're now on Discord. Jason Newman is Jason Newman over there on Discord. Want to get to know Jason? Beware on Discord and TikTok. I never message anyone. I only say to you in a live show that I'll message you live and then I'll message you because we're doing something together right now in a show. I don't just reach out to you. I only reply to your messages. I don't sell you anything. So please be wary of anyone who pretends to be me. And people can have the same name. They can have the same logo, but they're not me. One, I never message you, firstly. And two, the most important thing is if you look at their roles, they are not an owner of this channel. All right. So there you go. But the most important thing is I don't message you. I only reply or do it during a live show like this. Virgin Galactic is going back up again. Let's go through our stocks and shares. We've got Day Trader of the Day now. I've only got 25 minutes left of our show to go. And then I'm going to leave you with video 3. Once everyone has watched video 2, and I hope you all have. I can see who has. The testimony now has had 28 views. And the USA compared to the UK has had 18. And the Pain and Hurt has had 14. You sent me a message yesterday asking me to buy Dogecoin from you. See, Willow, that isn't me. That isn't me. I ban all the Martyn Lucases with my logo and all the rest of it from my channel. I can't stop people messaging you outside of my channel. They're not on my channel anymore. I get rid of them straight away. I check every single day. But if they come in and they message you, then that's like someone phoning you up, you know, or emailing you. It's nothing to do with me. I just keep warning you. Virgin Galactic's microsatellite payload suborbital launch system could cover part of spaceflight expenses. Virgin Galactic's microsatellite payload. Do you mean Virgin Orbit? Do you mean Virgin Orbit, Dennis? Virgin Orbit puts satellites into space. Virgin Galactic does not put satellites in space. They are two very different stocks. There are scientific experiments that go on board a Virgin Galactic rocket, but there's no launching stuff from the ship. I've looked into that. I talked to my cousin last night. Her best friend works for Mullen Automotive. I did not know. He said it's in the works to get 4 other contracts with other contractors to get the ball up and running. The trouble is with Project Freedom. Trouble is with Mullen. You know the story about you can't cry wolf too many times. Mullen will come online. They will get on an online show like Yahoo or whatever, Benziga, some online channel, and they will say, we're about to do this amazing thing. We've just signed a contract with Apple. Something like that. Some very dramatic, amazing news. The stocks pile up. The very people who own the company sell the stocks as it pops up. The very owners of the company. The stock drops back down again, and there's no news and there's no reality to what they just said. It never comes to fruition. They've done that now about 3 or 4 times. Now, the company may be real. It may one day do something. But so far, they like to go online, say a load of stuff. It never comes true. The stock goes up. The people that make the announcement make money from it. They dump it at the top. It goes back down again, and then they do it again. It is ridiculous. I have made money on Mullen. It is a gamble, but it is a gamble you can win, guarantee to win, if you set a stop trail loss. It does mean you might not get the top and you'll end up, you know, selling it at 5% down from the top, but you can make money on it. But it's a joke, and I think it's unscrupulous, but that's part of the overall markets. There's all this nonsense that goes on. But anyway, that's my experience of Mullen. Right, day trader of the day. Day trader of the day. Dennis Poirier, I want to get your comments. Virgin Orbit or Virgin Galactic. So come back to me. Right, day trader of the day. Make sure everybody's up to date. Are you all up to date? Here's my main position. Here we go. I'm up 0.72. It was a lot better, but I'm up, and I'll take an up. I just like green. It's a lot more friendly. Up 0.76%. It was up considerably more than that. Just before I wrote it there, it went 0.8%. There we go. And it might keep going. So you might beat me. Right. When it posts on the screen, I will give everybody the minute clock. When the first person posts their score, here's Jason Newman. Here we go. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Let's go. Jason Newman is up 0.7. I'm in the lead at the moment. There you go. That's a rare thing, right? Said a boom chicky 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 boom pow pow. Chicky 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 boom pow pow. We've got is that down 0.69? Down 5.42. Hey, am I up? Am I beating everyone? I'm up 1% now, by the way. Up 0.83, up 0.97. I'm up 1% now. 0.83. I've not won for ages. Stephen Ladowski is at 1.1. I'm at 1.06. I'm rising. Stephen Ladowski up 1.1. I have 10,000 shares, even at 68 cents on Mullen. Do you think I should sell? Here we go. Hang on. I have Stephen Ladowski is over on Twitch. Thank you very much for holding open Twitch. I'm at 1.1. I'm at 1.34. Hey, I think I could win this. I think I can win. Very, very, very rarely I win the day trader. But you know what? I am taking it. Virgin that and the making of a modern astronaut book. I'll look into. I'll look it up. I got the book. Test the Gods, Virgin Galactic, and the making of modern astronaut. Okay, thank you, Dennis Poirier, for that information. Church of Logic is down. I am the winner. I am the winner. Right? And you know what happens when I win? When I win, if you've not been here before, you know we have a tradition. When I win, everyone buys me a pint. Everyone buys me a cup of coffee. So every single person gives me a super chat. You may have seen it before. If you've never seen it before, it's a tradition. When I win, which is very, very, very rarely, everyone buys me a cup of coffee. Everyone buys me a super chat. Have you not seen it before? Yeah, you should. Shad is the winner. What do you mean Shad is the winner? How is Shad the winner? I'm at 1.36. If we keep updating... Okay. All right. Shad's the winner. Dave Mottram, Moaning Dave, came in and took it away from me. All right. I can see it now. Shad is up. I get it. All right. Bloody hell. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. I nearly won. And I nearly had about 10 cups of coffee and 10 pints of beer then. But never mind. Don't worry about me. Give him a big round of applause. There we go. If we keep updating, I'm at 1.36. There we go. Congratulations, Shad. Well done indeed. Cheat. I fixed it. I fixed it. All right. Stop having a go. I fixed it. Goldman Sachs expects the European Central Bank to raise interest rates by 75 basis points at its policy meeting. You can still have the coffee though. Hey! Done a super chat already today. Mark says, I've already done a super chat. I ain't doing another one. This is the last day of the month. This is the day I try and break a record. The last day of the month is the day I try to get all my super chats in and see if I can beat last month's record. Anyway, there you go. Get out of it. Well done, Shad. Yeah, well done. Brilliant. Looks like you're back to water, no pints. Yeah, I know. I would have actually won, but Dave Mottram came in and spoiled it. He told everybody, he said, no, you didn't win. You didn't win. Anyway, let's go back to it. We've got 15 minutes ago. It's Wednesday. It's water aerobics day. It's the day I do my exercise. I do it 3 times a week. And today is the day. Today is the day. Photronics. Oh, look at that. If you bought the bounce this morning, you'd have been all right, right? Rio Tinto. Remember what I say. I want it to go down. Everybody owning Rio Tinto wants it to go down right now because everyone is about to get dividends and reinvest them. So we all want the stock to go down. All right? Because it buys more. It buys more. And then everybody reinvests and it goes back up again. After that super chat, I'm down 1%. There you go, Shad. There you go. There you go. But doesn't it make you feel better? Doesn't it make you feel better that you put a smile on my face? Right, I need to get some more information. Anybody here, are you coming to the 15th of October party in Cornwall? If you back the Kickstarter campaign, it's already free because you've already backed it. If you didn't back the Kickstarter campaign, if you do a $50 super chat or a £50 super chat, whichever you like, in the chat, you'll be sent a ticket and you can be at the party on the beach. You can also be in the hotel in the evening. It's a whole day together on the Day Trader. We've got Alicia from Italy coming, Patty from Italy coming, myself and Leah, we're coming from Texas. Tom is coming from Canterbury. Sam, east of London. Real Ray's coming from Yorkshire. That's the list, and there's more coming. I want to add your name to the list. You can stay at the hotel. It's going to be in Cornwall. It's going to be in Newquay in Cornwall. I will send you all the details once you've confirmed you are coming. All right? The only way, let's have a little look here. The only way a long-term investor process works is if you have good diversification among different asset classes. If you do not, the investor will sell at the bottom due to psychology of fear. Absolutely right. Totally agree with that 100%. Stock market plan. I agree with that totally. Let's have a look at my overall portfolio right now. You can see where I am. This is what happened during the technology bubble, where most sold at the bottom out of fear. They did not halve wall diversified portfolio. I'm just reading off the screen. If the grammar isn't perfect, don't shoot the messenger. This was the quote from Stock Market Plan. There we go. So I'm up slightly today. We're bouncing around, but it's a green day nevertheless. All right. Right, we've got just a few minutes to go to wrap up the show. Now, we are back this afternoon for the closing bell. And on Friday after the closing bell, we have our fundraiser. That will be advertised today. Don't forget, if you are a member of our channel, you can have your very own fundraiser as well, or a 20-minute concert for a birthday, anniversary, wedding, whatever it might be. People pay me to do these concerts, $500 for weddings and birthdays. You get it for free as a member. All right, and now don't forget, even as a bronze member on your birthday, for you and your family, you get a happy birthday song in the show as well, which you can keep the video and post to your social media. There's the invitation to join if you want to become a member. If you want to get on Discord, we're trying to get to 500 members on Discord, because when we do, we are a searchable professional. Well, we're professional at 1,000 followers, but at 500, we are searchable. So right now on Discord, we have a grand total of 334. We're very excited about it. Broadcast Lounge. Guess whose birthday it is on Sunday? Right, if it's your birthday on Sunday, Shad, we can either celebrate it on Friday or Monday. I would imagine Monday's probably better, all right, because it's closer to the day, but we'll do it on Monday or Friday. It's your choice, because we offer that, because we don't want anyone to miss out who has birthdays over the weekend or bank holidays. I just thought, we're not here on Monday. It's a bank holiday in the US. So you can either go Friday or Tuesday. Friday or Tuesday we can celebrate. But it's up to you. You can mention it and we'll do it for you anyway. All right. Okay, I'm going to wrap up today's show. Just about. I'm going to close the broadcast lounge. That is now closed on Discord. There you go. Discord is now closed. If you want to call in, it's now closed. Do you need an advance notice? No, I don't. No, I don't. But what you do want to do, though, Chad, is make sure the day you do it is get all your family and friends. The day you decide to request it. Friday or Tuesday, the day you decide to request it, okay? Share that video. Remember, my videos are always posted on the upcoming live streams. And that includes, of course, Fridays and Tuesday. If you look, the upcoming live streams, we have, there's the Tuesday, September the 6th. And there is the Friday, opening and closing bell. You decide when you want it, and you share the relevant video. So if you want it on the opening bell on Friday, or the closing bell on Friday, or the opening bell on Tuesday, or the closing bell on Tuesday, share that video. Tell everybody to be in. Tell everybody to be signed up on YouTube so they can comment in the chat, so you can have all your family and friends, their name rolls through, right? And then you can post that to your social media or channel or whatever you want, and you will have that video forever. You will own it, because you can clip it and own it and keep it, and I will give you copyright to it. So it'd be really, really good if you get everyone's Tuesdays, if not Tuesday. I have the dental on Friday, it depends how I feel. It's up to you. But just make sure that you get all your family and friends, because you know the way we do the chat where it all flows up. You want your wife and family and girlfriend and mum and dad and everybody else in the chat. You want that, right? And then you can record that, keep that, and so on. Look at Photronics today. If I had bought this dip this morning and I doubled my position, I would actually be in the money right now with Photronics. If I'd bought it at 4% down, doubled it, I would have reduced it to 2% down, and now it's risen 2%. I would have been on the black right now. Right now, I would have been in the money with Photronics. But I decided I couldn't afford to do it. So that's, we all have limits. Right, I've got 8 minutes to go. We are wrapping up today's show. Let's have a final run through. Let's bring... it's time to give everybody the last video. The last video today. So hopefully you've watched video 1, video 2, and video 3. This last one is when you'll hear the pain of a day trader. The pain and hurt of a day trader. This is where Church really does explain how he feels. It's pain and hurt. It's a 20-minute video, this one. That's why I'm putting it at the end of the video. Please watch it all the way through. Listen to what Church says. You can learn a lot from this video. Share it, like it, and leave a comment. Would be wonderful. So I'm going to click on it now. So I'm going to start it. Here it is running in the background. And we've got 7 likes already. Let's see who's commented on this video. If you've not watched it all the way through, you actually damage the video. So it helps me if you watch it all the way through. We've got the Church of Logic has commented already. A day I don't want to remember. There we go. Look at that. Fair play, Church, for sharing your position. I'm here. So please do watch it all the way through if you haven't yet done so. All right. Here it is. I'm going to give you now vid 3. I'm going to give you vid 3 right now, and I'm going to give it you, and then we'll end the show, and then you can all watch that at the end. So here comes vid 3. And you can learn a lot from this video. Vid 3, this is the experience of the Church of Logic. Here is vid 3. I'm going to give you the link now, and we're going to end the show. Here we go. There it is in the chat right now, or of course you can go below on this channel. It's in my uploads, and it's called Pain and Hurt. There is vid 3. I've posted it a couple of times in the chat. 3 times, in fact. All right, there we go. So today, thank you very much indeed for all being here. It's a time to wrap up the show. I have to go because it's my day of exercise. 3 times a week. I've got 6 bulging discs, and that's why I can't tour anymore, as well as COVID, of course. Knocking that on the head, but that's why I do what I do. Anyway, I think that's it. The overall portfolio, we are up 0.5%. I'll take 0.5% just for the psychology of it being green and looking good. It just makes me feel better. I'd feel a lot better once we reach $50,000, but we shall see in time. It's going down a bit. I better get off the screen quick before it goes red. And there we go. Thank you ever so much, everyone who followed me on TikTok. Thank you so far. Core 80 pips. Not sure what 80 pips is. Yeah, man. We've got a bit of stuff going on TikTok. Anyway, there we go. It's time to wrap up the show. Thank you ever so much. I just need someone now to say, roll the credits, and I can roll the credits. And I've left everybody with that video to watch, vid 3. All right, so here we go. If someone could say, roll the credits, I will get out of here, and I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. And roll them, said Jason Newman. Doobie-doo-wah. Shadoo-doo-doo-doo-be-doo-wah. Roll 'em, boss man. All right, I will roll 'em. I will do it. Here we go. Let's see who took part in today's show. Who was the star of today's show? Well, let's have a quick look. We have today on the show Mike, as always, slays the bot, always beats the restream bot. He's our most active moderator. And we have some super chats today as well, which is lovely. On the last day of the month, this is the day I try to beat all my records if I can every month. Let's have a little look. We've got a super chat from Bill. Thank you, Bill. Brickmark. Thank you, Mark. Caden is sponsoring the newsletter and Shadstream. Thank you very much indeed. And the membership wasn't a new member. It was Seb. If you go into your super chat, you get a free super chat when you've been a member for a month, 3 months, 6 months, and all that stuff. And you can share your membership with the world. It's free. It's a gift that you get from YouTube. There you go. So Seb Dean has been a member now for a period of time. I'm looking forward to seeing many of my light green members. I see a few of them now. We've got Zach. We've got Brickmark. Jason Newman is still purple. He's very, very new. But we've got Shadstream. We've got the Church of Logic is still purple. But we've got quite a few of you not that far away from turning gold. And then, of course, we've got Muzanella, and we've got a couple of you who are already gold, which will eventually, end of the year, will be turned red, which is a very coveted membership. That's it. I'm done. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you all very much indeed. I'll be back for the closing bell this afternoon. And that's it. Thanks for joining me. Another day on the Day Trader. We've made some more friends. We've grown the channel a bit more. We've made a little bit of money maybe today. We're up slightly. We've gained 1 subscriber, but we made a few tips. We're growing, and hopefully you'll all go and enjoy and get something out of Church's video. All right, I'll see you later. Have a wonderful day. Stay in the market. You'll never make any money if you put your money in the bank and just sit there and hide in the corner. Be on the Day Trader, part of the family. Take care of yourselves and each other.